Hi, hello, and namaste, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel RSK Competitive World. Friends, in the last session, we discussed the commercial use of the microorganisms. Okay, so how to produce, that is alcohol, wine, and that is also acetic acid, and what are the use of the acetic acid, how we are getting benefit out of these by using the microorganisms, nothing but the helpful microorganisms. So in the same way, in the medical sector also, microorganisms are helping to the humankind. So how these are helping, in what way they are helping, that what need to discuss today. So medicinal use of microorganisms. These microorganisms are helping in the medical sector also. So that what we need to discuss today. Whenever you or me fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotics like tablets, capsules, or injections such as penicillin. Okay, so you oftenly whenever you will fall ill, or whenever you are suffering from fever, headache, or cough, sneezing, okay, any kind of diseases, so you will directly will go to the doctor, and you will that is a doctor will suggest you to take the antibiotics. He will write directly the antibiotics after giving the injections. The injection is also kind of a bacteria, that is antibiotic. So the source of these medicines is microorganisms. Where we are getting these antibiotics, we are getting the antibiotics because of these microorganisms. Then which are those microorganisms? Those microorganisms are nothing but fungi and bacteria. So these fungi and bacteria are very helpful for us. These medicines, means these antibiotics, kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. So how will get the disease? Because of in the air so many microorganisms are there which will disease causing microorganisms will enter through the nose and will enter through whole body, and you will start getting fever or any other kind of diseases which is related to the body. So that time you will suffering from fever or cough or sneezing, anything. So at that time when you will meet the doctor will suggest you the antibiotics in the form of tablets, capsules, injections, any kind of other penicillin okay. So see, these are the antibiotics where we are getting because of the another helpful microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. So these days number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Nowadays we are totally depending on disease causing microorganism. Oppositely these microorganisms are working, bacteria and fungi. So oftenly when you will get tablets through the medical centers, or any kind of saline water, or it is kind of that is injections. So just you turn, or any kind of a syrup, you just turn back of that syrup or tablets, you will get a kind of names like the below here given: streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. So these three words will be available on the backside of the tablets, or it is a on the labeling, that is on the syrup, any kind of a syrup, cup syrup or any kind of syrup. You just see these names you will get, and these names are nothing but antibiotics. Got my point? And these antibiotics will kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Means they are helpful for us or not, isn't it? They are very helpful for us. Okay, yes, we'll go for the next slide. Again, these antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure variety of diseases. So why we need to produce them, why we need to manufacture these antibiotics, which will act like, that is which will fight against disease causing microorganisms. Got my point? So these antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock, poultry, to check microbial infection in animals. Not only in animals, also in plants also. See, whenever the farmers very well know this, see, before giving food to the animals like ox, buffaloes, or any cow, okay, any kind of animal, before giving food nowadays they are mixing the antibiotic with the food, then after will give the food to the those animals, like that is I explained already examples: buffaloes, okay, or it is cow, or it is ox, anything else. Okay, so poultry also is there, one of the good example, that is members will be more here in the form of pig, in the form of hen, in the form of chicken, in the form of geese. So many poultries you can able to get. Whenever you're moving through the roadsides, you will get so many poultries are there. So poultries means number is more there of hen, chicken, or any kind of birds, or it is any kind of for example pig also. Nowadays pigs are also where production, we are doing production of the pigs. Because of the meat we are getting the egg by the hen, and also purpose of feeders also we are doing the poultries, because we are lots of benefits out of that. We are getting lots of profit is there in the poultry. So these are in the before giving the food to these poultry and the other animals, we are mixing these antibiotics also in the food, so that food will be a safety which does not have any kind of a disease causing microorganisms. So that's why. So and also we are nowadays we are mixing antibiotics in the form of at the stem part. See in how? In the form of injection. For example, nearby your house, besides of your house in the field, you have a coconut trees. Oftenly you saw. That's why I'm giving example of coconut tree. So coconut tree initially when it will start growing, that time some diseases will attack. Some means some diseases. We don't know the disease, but initially that will stop the growing. It stops its growth. So we will meet that agricultural department, and they will suggest that they will come, a person from that agricultural department will come and he will give antibiotic in the form of injection. So then afterwards that will kill that is disease causing microorganisms and will help the growth of the that plant, particular plant. Okay, so these are how in the nowadays, not only for the human being we are using antibiotics, also for the animals, other kinds of animals, and also for the plants also. See, so many various uses are there, varieties of the applications we have nowadays. Yesterday also we discussed, that is a variety of uses of the these helpful microorganisms for production of the alcohol, wine, acetic acid. So many examples are there. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. Keep on watching my videos, share my videos and subscribe it. Thank you so much.